Best knife sharpener ever.
Thank you. Here we go.
Bought this last weekend. Works great with everything that you sharpen. Buy one now. Thank you.
We're going to sharpen up a Bowie style knife. It was made in Orlando. You see the man's marking on it.
Scott Smith.
Scott Smith. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. My sharpeners are made to home. They got a patented box, so it rides that original edge. It ain't changing Pat Smith's original edge. Squeezing it back together. And that's some very hard steel in that knife too.
That's model leg split.
Okay. Yeah. I very rarely get a knife I can't get sharp. That's really good. Finish them on leather when you're done. That'll polish that edge back. Get rid of any little fine burrs. Might get that one more time to feel that. How's that feeling?
I know I had a little mix out of
It took the little mix out, yep. I'll run you a couple more times on that. I think I can get some more out of that. You hear it's a lot smoother and I don't feel the little mix now.
Adding a little oil.
Well, a little bit of oil. Oh, I'm getting my hand cramp. There you go. So.
Getting glare.
A little bit of hair. That's it. I do these sharpeners for 20 bucks a piece. We're made in America, made in Florida also.
One in my hand.
Alright. And I can do your serrates too. You got your steak knives at home, Brad, electrics, anything with teeth. Go in the middle, I promise you it will not hurt them. I've got lots of different styles, they sharpen great. Anything with a serration, do it.
In the field anytime, man. Perfect.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Again, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.